We'll take another story now. The First Lady of Nigeria, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, has called on Nigerians in the diaspora to increase their commitment to national development. The First Lady made the appeal during a visit from Dr. Philip Ozuah, the President and CEO of Montefiore Medicine in the United States. Dr. Ozuah visited Nigeria to spearhead a transformative mission to improve and impact lives through his foundation, the Dr. Philip Ozuah Foundation, which focuses on education with scholarships for all, food security through a distribution program that has delivered over 1 billion naira in food aid, and healthcare, recently donating $50,000 to the Immaculate Heart of Mary Specialist Hospital in Anambra State. In 2022, Dr. Ozuah donated $1 million to his alma mater, the College of Medicine, University of Ibadan, to build a hostel. This donation is regarded as the highest amount given by an individual to a university in Nigeria. On June 11th, Dr. Ozuah joined dignitaries and medical students to commission the Hostel project, which houses 168 students at the College of Medicine. Dr. Ozuah, who hails from Anambra State, also visited his hometown, where he organized a food outreach program for 2,000 households and donated 50 million naira to a women's organization. Senator Oluremi Tinubu commended Dr. Ozuah's philanthropic contributions to Nigeria, especially his alma mater, the University of Ibadan, and emphasized the importance of diaspora engagement, despite being the CEO of an $8 billion health system that serves over 8 million patients in the United States. Dr. Ozuah has maintained a successful relationship with the people of his hometown.
Let the people of my town know that I think of them, and that although I don't live in the village and I'm in the United States, I have them in mind all the time. And that's why we're doing what we're doing here this afternoon is in recognition of that. And that's really it. And in honor of my parents, Chief Ozuah and Mrs. Justina Ozuah.
This is completely amazing. Kudos to Dr. Philip Ozuah. We know that the Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives, Benjamin Kalu, also met with Dr. Philip Ozuah and sought a partnership to revolutionize Nigeria's healthcare system. The proposal includes establishing a specialized medical research and training center in Nigeria, strengthening rural health infrastructure through equipment donations, and implementing knowledge exchange initiatives for Nigerian medical professionals in the diaspora. Dr. Ozuah has expressed his readiness to work with Nigeria to improve its healthcare system. Rufai, I know we took this story back in 2022, where we hailed him for his contributions to the university. And now we're seeing that the university is up and running. He donated $1 million to the university. And it's a great call, really, for especially with the First Lady of Nigeria saying that the diaspora remittances and the diaspora have to continue to engage with Nigeria. A real quick comment before we take our good news report, Rufai. Okay.
I mean, Oji, what he did for the University of Ibadan also makes a case for endowment, because that's a big endowment. Over $1 million worth of endowment for that hostel is going to help a lot in the medical system. But Dr. Ozuah leads Montefiore Health System, which is a very big health system, worth billions in America, and he's got a lot of patients. And he didn't just make it easily. I once heard one of his speech where he talked about the segregation he faced, how one of his supervisors so looked down on him that they will never call his last name. He said when things turned around for him, that same supervisor that never believed in him, he heard somebody call, "Hi, Dr. Ozuah," one day, and it was that same supervisor. So he went through a lot in America. In fact, he had spoken at the Stuttering Foundation speech at some point, because I think he had a stutter at some point and he did outgrow it.
Fantastic.
But he used all of his experiences, be it negative, and he turned it around for good in his life.
Right.
He did a food outreach. He's met with the president's wife.
First
he also
lady.
has a lot of things he's going to be doing for Nigeria. And that's the real power of the diaspora. And it's
Absolutely.
representative
I love
of
that.
giving back.
Yes.
He went to University of Ibadan. He went abroad to get more knowledge, but he never forgot home.
Right.
And he leads a very formidable health system
Right.
abroad.
All right.
So
Fantastic.
he did a very good story. And this is one worth celebrating.
This is worth celebrating, and kudos to Dr. Ozuah. A real call for the people in the diaspora to emulate him.